Welcome to the Help Your Team Help You, and today we'll speak a bit about non-violent communication and with this topic, replacing you with I to approach conflict from a new angle. Maintaining harmonious relationship often requires refining your communication style. This involves learning how to better manage conflicts, taking a step back, adopting non-violent communication, NVC, and replacing you with I. One classic pitfall when expressing emotion is confusing what you feel with how you perceive the other person and their intentions. For example, if you say to someone, "You're ignoring me because you didn't say hello," you're not expressing your feelings, but rather interpreting their behavior. Some expressions also reinforce this confusion between feelings and judgment. Saying, "I feel like you don't love me," isn't truly expressing a feeling, it's a judgment interpreting the other person's behavior. In general, when you use you or your, you are expressing a judgment, not a feeling. For instance, "You're annoying, you're always criticizing me, you don't understand me." Addressing someone this way makes them feel attacked. It implies they are solely at fault, which may provoke a defensive reaction. Quickly, the tone can escalate and the situation spirals out of control. To better handle conflicts, it's wiser to use I statements. You need to express your own feeling, remembering that the other person may not feel the same way or share the same needs. Let's revisit the example. "You're annoying" become "I feel annoyed." "You're always criticizing me" becomes "I feel hurt by what you said." "You don't understand me" becomes "I feel like I'm not being understood." A little practice exercise. Imagine this scenario. You were supposed to attend a show with a friend and you booked tickets weeks in advance. Unfortunately, your friends cancelled at the last minute and you want to express how you feel. Two options. "You let me down. I ended up going to the show alone. Do you realize how your behavior affected me?" And then the second possibility, the second option. "I felt disappointed by your absence. We had planned this evening a long time ago. It was a tough moment for me." In both cases, you explain your disappointment, but in the first, the accusatory tone may escalate the situation. In the second one, you focus on your feelings. Your friend doesn't feel accused or threatened and will be more open to understanding your perspective. Switching from you to I takes practice, but it can transform the way you handle conflicts and significantly improve your relationships. Thanks, and maybe see you in another podcast.